Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I did this orange red fiery makeup look. I've been wanting to do something like this all summer long. I know that summer is about to end, but I wanted to put this look out there anyway. It was really easy to do, so easy. You only use 2 eyeshadows, and I want to do more colorful makeup looks. Let me know down below what you guys think and stay tuned for more. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then continue watching.
Hey guys, first I went in with the eyeshadow Hunts from the MORPHEXJACLYNHILL palette. I'm just applying that a little above my crease and blending it out. Then I go in with this red orange color from the Morphe 35B palette and lightly apply that to my crease. I go back and forth between the two colors to make sure they're blended. Then I go back into that palette with that same color and apply it to my lid all the way up to my crease. Go back with blending again because you want to make sure everything is blended, no harsh lines. I apply my false lashes and liner off camera, and now I'm applying that same color from the Morphe 35B palette again, but this time to my lower lash line. Then a little mascara, an inner tear duct highlight, and boom, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.